So standard 10, welcome back in Pythagoras theorem. This we were doing exercise 2.1. In that question number 9 and 10 is remaining. This is our lecture number 5. Out of that, this is question number 9. In the figure, M is the midpoint of QR. M is the midpoint of QR or RQ. Angle R is equal to 90 degree. Prove that PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. Now here we can see two right angle triangles. This PRQ, this one, and PRN, these two. As the lesson is on Pythagoras theorem, so there is no other way other than going for Pythagoras theorem. So proof in right angle triangle PRQ, the bigger triangle, this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. So PQ square is equal to one side is PR, other side is RQ. PR square plus RQ square. This is number 1. This one is Pago. Pago means Pythagoras. Now in right angle triangle PRM, this is the hypotenuse. PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square. PM square is PR square plus RM square. This is also Pythagoras. Now, from this, I will see towards the proof. In proof, I want PM, I want PR. PM I want, PR I want. RM I don't want in the proof. So RM I will convert. RM this much, this is the midpoint, means this RM is half of RQ. See this, RM is half of RQ. So that I have written plus 1 upon 2. RM is half of RQ, its square. See this, don't forget this. This way you will write, this way RM square, and RM means half of RQ. And then the square. So reason is M is the midpoint, it is given. So RM is equal to half of RQ, or you can write M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of RQ. They have given midpoint of QR, they have written, we will write QR. Okay. So PM square is equal to PR square plus, now 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4. RQ square is RQ square. Now this 4 I don't want in upon in the proof. So I have multiplied each term by 4. So multiply this by 4, multiply this by 4, multiply this also by 4. So if you multiply this by 4, 4 will get cancelled and only RQ square will remain. So 4PM square is equal to 4PR square plus RQ square. Now what I want, once again I will see to the proof. In the proof I don't want RQ. So for RQ I will replace the thing. So RQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 4RQ square. RQ square I have kept here. This I have shifted here. 4PM square minus 4PR square and written properly. So RQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 4PR square. This is number 2. Now see this and this number 2. PQ square, PQ square. Here PR square, PR square plus RQ square. RQ square means 4PM square minus 4PR square. 4PM square minus 4PR square. The value of RQ from this I have taken and substituted here. So we call it as from 1 and 2. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PR square. This minus 4 PR square. That is equal to minus 3 PR square. And this is here. Hence, proved. Last statement you will write. Hence, proved. Hope that you have understood this. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take, because I am going to rub. I have to take the next sum, the last sum, 10th sum. So now I am writing question number 10. Now you might have the textbooks in your hand now. I will just read the question and accordingly I will draw the figure. Walls of two buildings on either side of a street. So this is a street. Two buildings. This one building on the street on either side. Buildings are in right angle. They are not tilted. This is 4 meter. And another building is 4.2 meter. 4.2 meter. These are the two buildings. The names for this building I will give AB and DE. Or you can say CD. Okay, these are the two buildings in such a fashion they are on the two sides of the road. Walls of two buildings on either side of a street are parallel to each other. These are parallel to each other, this way and this way. A ladder 5.8 meter long is placed on the street. Ladder is kept like this. So on the street where it is kept, say suppose here it is kept. This is the point A, B, C, D. Suppose this is the point E. At the point E, the ladder is kept. Such that its top just reaches the window of a building at height 4 meter. This is a 4 meter height. At this building, it is touching here. Building may be higher also. Here the window is there. Okay. On turning the ladder over the other side of the street, means this ladder is turned like this. Its top touches the window of the other building at a height of 4.2 meters. So this is close to it. This way it is. This is the point E. And if I turn this, it will reach over here. This is the ladder. These are the two positions of the ladder. Once this position and then this position. The height of ladder is, on turning the ladder over the other side, the top reaches and the ladder is 5.8 meter. 5.8 meter. This is also 5.8 meter. So find the width of the street. So in such questions, this figure and the details of the figure carry 1 mark. Don't forget this. Figure and the details of the figure carry 1 mark. So always don't forget that if you suppose you can't solve the example, at least you draw the figure and write the details of this. What are the details in the figure? AB and CD are two buildings. I am writing in the shortcut. You don't write in the shortcut. AE and CE are, E is the position we will write. E is the bottom of the ladder on the street. I am writing in short because I have to utilize this place and complete the sum. So AE and CE is the ladder. AE and CE is the ladder. Okay. That same ladder we are talking about. Okay. Now this is the right angle triangle. In triangle ABE, this is the hypotenuse. I want to find this distance. This distance I want to find. So here I will write to find BD. BD is the street. BD is the street. So at least this much you should write. In right angle triangle ABE, AB square plus BE square is equal to AE square. Reason, power. Therefore, AB is how much? 4 square. Plus B is how much? Don't know. So BE is equal to A is how much? 5.8. 8 square. Therefore, BE square equal to 5.8 square means 5.8 into 5.8. 5.8 into 5.8. 8 is the 64, carry 6. 8 5 the 40, 46. Now 5 is the 40, carry 4. 5 5 the 25 plus 4 is 29. 4, 6, 13, 3. 33.64. 2 decimals, 2 decimals. So 33.64 minus this will be 16. So therefore B square equal to minus 16. So here minus 16 means minus 16.00. Some people don't know this subtraction also. So 17.64. Now I have to find BE. Therefore, BE equal to, I will write here under root of 17.64. How to find the square root of this? That is important now. So definitely by judgment how to do? 1764 means it is 40 square is equal to 16 and 1600. So more than that. At the last digit I want 2. I want 4. Where 4 can come? 2. If it is 2, then 2 into 2 will be 4. So 42 square, that way. Then 2 in which table it can come? In 3 table 9 will come, 6 table 6 will come, and 8 table 8, that will be 64. means the 4 will come in the last digit. I want the last digit as 4. 8 means I have to take 48. But 50 square is 2500. So it is too far than this. So maybe 42 square. So I will see 42 into 42. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 16, 4, 16, 1, 17, 64. So therefore B equal to 42, but it is not 1764, it is 17.64, so I have to give a decimal point. This way you have to judge how to find the square root. Other way, as usual, you know how to find it. 1764, it is upon 100. 100's root is upon 10. Now I will find the root of 1764, 1764. By 4 I can definitely divide. What is the rule you know? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. Then the whole number is divisible by 4. So that's why this 64 is divisible. So 4 4 the 16 remains 1. Carry this 6. 4 4 the 16 and 4 1 the 4. Now this is 20. 4 4 8. 8 plus 1 9 means it is divisible by 3 also and by 9 also. So I will divide by 9 because the square root of 9 is 3. So 9 5 the 45 it becomes. 9 4 the 36. So 36 and 8. 9 9 the 81. So this is 49 into 1. Now the square root of this will be 2. Square root of this will be 3 and square root of this will be 7. 7 3 is 21. 21 to the 42. So 42 upon 10. Nothing but 4.2. The purpose of teaching this sum is only these calculations how to do. Okay. This is number 1. Now I have to find this. In arcade triangle, which is that CED, ED square plus CD square is equal to CE square. Reason Pago. Therefore, ED don't know. ED square plus CD is how much? 4.2. 4.2. Its square is equal to C square 5.8. Its square. So ED square equal to 5.8 into 5.8. I forgot it. 5.8 into 5.8. 8 is the 64 carry 6. 8 5 the 40. 40 46. 8 5 the 44. 29. So 3364. It was 33.64. And 4.2 square just now it is here minus 17.64. Taken this on that side. Okay. This subtraction I will do minus 17.64. 0 0 6 1 that is equal to 16. ED square equal to. Therefore, ED is equal to, directly you can write that is equal to 4. Okay, you have got this ED also now. What else is remaining? The strict. We want ED equal, we want BD equal to. BD equal to. Here we have written BD is equal to find. BD is equal to BE plus ED. BE plus ED. Reason B dash E dash D. Therefore, BD equal to B is how much? Just we have found 4.2 plus ED is how much? 4. This is number 2. Here we will give the reason from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Therefore, BD equal to 8.2 meter. Width of the, what was the question? Find the width of the street. Width of the street equal to street equal to 8.2 meter. That's all. So hope that you have understood. Here we have concluded exercise 2.1. Next we will see the next solve sums or some exercise. We will decide it afterwards. Bye till then.